Are you wondering if YouTube TV offers Japanese channels? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and explain whether you can access Japanese programming on YouTube TV. If you're looking for Japanese language content, you'll want to hear this. Unfortunately, YouTube TV does not currently offer dedicated Japanese channels like NHK or Fuji TV as part of its lineup. While YouTube TV provides a wide variety of entertainment, news, and sports channels, its offerings are primarily focused on US-based networks and regional affiliates. If you're looking for Japanese channels or programming, you might need to explore other services like NHK World Premium, Crunchyroll for anime, or international streaming platforms that specialize in global content. Alternatively, some Japanese shows or movies may be available through YouTube TV's on-demand library if they're offered by included networks. If this video helped you understand whether YouTube TV offers Japanese channels, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.